Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with T-Mobile affiliate marketing for device deals step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the T-Mobile affiliate program website. Look for the sign up or join now button on the homepage. Create an account by providing your email address and a secure password. Fill out the application form with your personal information and affiliate marketing details. Make sure to include your website or social media links where you plan to promote T-Mobile. Review the terms and conditions and agree to them to proceed. Submit your application for review by the T-Mobile affiliate team. Wait for a confirmation email from T-Mobile regarding your application status. Once approved, log into your affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface and available marketing materials. Locate the device deals section in the dashboard. Browse through the current offers and select the deals that best fit your audience. Generate your unique affiliate links for the selected device deals. Save these links for easy access later on. Create engaging content that highlights these device deals for your platform. Share your content across your website, blog, or social media channels. Monitor the performance of your affiliate links through the dashboard analytics. Adjust your marketing strategies based on the performance data you receive. Stay updated with T-Mobile's promotions and new device releases to keep your content relevant. Engage with your audience by responding to their questions about the device deals. Continually test different marketing tactics to find what resonates best with your audience. Maintain open communication with the T-Mobile affiliate support team for assistance as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.